Is your brown mulch looking a bit worn out, like it needs a little TLC? Melissa here with PetraMax. Today, let me show you the wonders PetraMax Brown Mulch Dye has in store for you. PetraMax Brown Mulch Dye will turn your average boring mulch into a revitalized brown. We know you value durability and top professional quality. PetraMax Brown Mulch Dye keeps your brown mulch for up to 7 months, ensuring your garden stays vibrant and beautiful without backbreaking frequent touch-ups. And because we know every penny counts, it's not just effective, but also budget-friendly. Achieve a stunning garden without breaking the bank, while also standing up against the weeds and harsh elements. So what do you say, DIYers? Say goodbye to dull, faded mulch and hello to a garden that stays vibrant effortlessly. It's the secret sauce to gorgeous mulch that will keep your neighbors buzzing for your secrets. Try our brown mulch dye today and experience instant, cost-effective, and long-lasting results. Your home deserves the best. See you at the next one.